Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold in the 2022 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in dark moss. Let's get started. Okay, so the electronic parking brake button and auto hold button are located in this cluster of buttons in the center console. So with my foot on the brake pedal, if I lift up on this P button here, it's going to go ahead and engage the e-brake, and it's telling me there that the parking brake is now on. With my foot still on the brake, I can press it down and that will deactivate the e-brake for you. The auto hold button is located to the left of the e-brake button. So if we go ahead and press that, you'll see it comes up on the left over here in white. I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle in drive, and you'll see that it's now green. What that means is it's using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me so I can take my foot off of it, which I've done, while I'm still in the drive gear. And if I wanted to get going, all I have to do is go ahead and touch the gas pedal, and you'll see it goes white and the vehicle is now moving. When I come to a complete stop again, you'll see it goes green again, and it's now using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me still. What I'm going to do is go ahead and turn it off because I'm all done with it. And one last note with the electronic parking brake, if you happen to have the e-brake engaged and it's on, and you go ahead and put the vehicle into drive and you accidentally leave it on without turning it off, you'll notice it does turn it off for you, so you can't accidentally drive around with it on. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.